Hello, Brandon, and everyone there at Artisan Building and Remodeling. I hope you're well. My name is Charles Marine. I am with your local SEO professionals. Here's a picture of myself right here. I started this company in order to help small businesses pull in more clients in and around the local area. And first of all, I want to apologize. We got cut off yesterday when I called. I left a voicemail message. Believe I was talking to Fred. Sorry about that, Fred. But I'm shooting this video because I wanted to give you 3 tips on how you can pull in more business and more clients in your local area. Why am I doing this? A lot of people have been asking me, business owners ask me, why do you do this? Or rather, that I know the question is in their minds. So I'm doing this because I've realized that for business owners, it takes a while. I mean, this is a whole different niche of SEO and digital marketing, and it takes a while and it takes time to become good at this. I'm offering these 3 tips that you can even take to your website guy. If you don't go with me, no harm, no foul. Take it to your SEO person and implement these so you can get more clients. I believe in what Zig Ziglar once said, famous public speaker. He said, if you help more people achieve what they want, then you achieve what you want. Okay, so I don't want to waste your time. The 3 things I want to talk about are number 1, content, number 2, citations, and number 3, backlinks. So when I mention content, what do I mean? Generally, everything on your website is content. All the text, all the pictures, everything you can see here in blue that I've selected, that's content. Google generally looks for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content, of authoritative content with keywords saturated within them. And by keywords, I mean a word like the words like home improvement. Those are keywords. Trusted roofing and siding contractor, because when people are searching for your services, these are the things they're going to type in. These are buyer intent keywords. It's really good to have your location associated with keywords as well. One other thing about content is your pictures on your website. This may be a small thing, but a lot of SEO people do not think about this. The pictures, you see, this picture is saved as classic colonial and then the dimensions. If it was rather saved as something to do with your business, say siding and roofing in Hartford, Connecticut, just simply saved as that, that's a keyword. Google would grab it when it's scraping all websites to be able to rank websites, and it would know that you're more authoritative. Google, like I said, Google likes to have between 1,000 and 1,500 words on the website, which I think you're close to. I have a tool that can measure the amount of words on your site. It's here. I put your site in. This tool is a free tool online. And for your site, you have about 605 words. So if you could double the amount of words and then have it rich, saturated with keywords, not too much. There's a certain balance that you need. Google will see you as authoritative and not spammy. And if you could change these images to have more keywords in how you save them, that would help you. That's it let's look at your competitor. If I Googled roofers East Hartford, Connecticut, one of the top people who come up right after Better Business Bureau is klauslarsen.com. So let's look at the website. You can see that they have quite a bit of text over here. And also they have, it's authoritative, you can tell because of the keywords. For example, free roof replacement, or something as simple as roofing contractors, gutter installation, gutter guard installation, because people will be Googling those words. So they're doing a good job, and I know you can also improve this your front page and also your other pages to be more authoritative. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, when you come to a Google search, if someone has a problem with the roof and they search roofers East Hartford, Connecticut. What they first see are Google ads. Now, Google ads are always a hit or miss because these days a lot of people have ad blockers on their devices that would block out these ads. The thing about that is that now whoever's advertised here is missing out on that market of people. Secondly, just like me, I don't know about you, but I don't like clicking on ads. I'd rather click on organic searches down here. But citations have to do with this middle section called the map pack, where you have a map and 3 competing businesses. If I was to view all, I would see even more businesses. And I would, let's see, yes, here we go. So, how to get up here? It's like a popularity contest. The more citations you have, the higher you'll rank in this map pack area. Now, what are citations? Citations are anywhere on the internet in directories, anywhere in directories all across the internet that your name, address, and phone number appear exactly as they are in Google. For example, in LinkedIn, in Yelp, in White Pages, Yellow Pages, if you're listed in those directories, if you're cited there, your name, address, and business exactly how it appears on Google, Google will scrape that, and the more you have, the higher you will rank over here. I have a tool called WhiteSpark, and with WhiteSpark, I can put in a business name. Like I've put in Allied Roofing because in the search they are top in the map pack area. So I've put in Allied Roofing and Sheet Metal, and I see that they have 58 citation sources, and I can tell exactly where the citations are from over here. If I put in your business, Artisan Building and Remodeling, I can see that you have about 23 citations, and I can see exactly where they're from. Now, I would advise you to go to your competitors, at least the person who's top in the map set area, and match all their citations. But not only match, we're in business, and to be able to stay on top over here, I'd have to probably double or triple the amount of citations. So I would get 100 to 200 new citations, so that you can stay on the top of that area, and that's very doable. Third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, you know that the internet is it's a connection of different web pages all linked together. A backlink is a link on one site that points to your website. So I have a tool called Ahrefs, and with Ahrefs, I'm able to analyze different websites. So I'm going to take your website and compare it again to what are they? Klaus Larson. They're right here. I put them into the tool, and I can tell they have about 3,200 backlinks. You have about 65 backlinks. Now, not all backlinks are the same. Here at the bottom right of my tool, I can tell the URL kind of strength that Google gives. The backlinks you have are low strength. The backlinks that your competitor has, most of them are low strength as well. So I would look into getting higher strength backlinks, going into each, wherever I can get any reliable and strong backlinks, make sure you appear there so that it links over here to you, higher strength, and Google will consider you more authoritative. Now, I could go into here, into their backlinks, and look at each and every one of their backlinks and pick out the stronger sites and make sure that you're listed on them. Sometimes it might be a blog, and you can go and comment on the blog, or write a blog on a different website and have your link there, so it links to you. It depends on the strength of the website as well. So one last thing I want to mention are these organic keywords. Again, the reason I'm doing this is I want to show you how you can draw more traffic, why you can draw more traffic. So I'm going to click on your competitors' organic keywords, what they're ranking for. This basically means if someone's searching for roofing companies in Connecticut, if this is what they type in the search bar, About 150 people do this. There are about 150 searches per month. And of those 150, your competitors get 11 people per month on average. Their position on Google is 5th for this keyword. So if you Google this keyword, they're going to be placed 5th. For you, looking at your keywords, you're being okay. Connecticut roofing, 300 searches per month. You're getting about 0.79 people, and that's mostly because you're ranking on the 20th. You've gone up 23 since June 21st, but you're still ranking 20th, which means that's probably like the 7th or 8th page in Google. So because the 300 people searching, so if we were to build up your keyword, you'd get more traffic. If you were actually to build up this keyword, meaning saturated in your website, have anchor text using these keywords pointing to your website, you'd be able to grab probably all of these 11, or a sizable about maybe 9 of these 11 people who are going to his website. And it mainly depends on what rank you have here, what position you are here. But what would 11 more people clicking on your website do for you? I'm sure it would draw more business. Out of those, depending on conversion rate, maybe 3 more people. But that's only for one keyword. There are many keywords we could use. For example, roofers, West Hartford, Connecticut. That's what I typed in at first. And you can see they're ranking 2nd with 40 people searching per month. They get 7 people. So if you were to rank there, how much more business do you think you would get? Because like I had said, in these searches, 90% of people these days use the internet to look for local services. And with local services, 70% click on these first ones. So if 70% of people are clicking here, I'm sure you get more and more business. And that, like I said, that's my goal, helping small businesses pull in more clients. So if you like what you've seen, if you appreciate these tricks, feel free to use them. Pass them on to your SEO person or your website designer, incorporate them so you can get more clients and rise in Google ranking. If you want to save time, you can give me a call or shoot me an email. Let me put my email here, charles@yourlocalseopros.com. You can pause and just write that down if you're interested. My phone number is 215-770-1621. Thanks a lot for your time. I'm sorry this went a little bit over than I thought, but I hope you've gained something from this. And I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you, Brandon. All the best.